Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about the NPM package, that is Lodash. Lodash is a utility library that provides many helpful functions to simplify common programming tasks. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to install the Lodash. So let's go to the terminal and Control C pix Lodash, and let's see the Lodash number of downloads first. Okay, then you come to know about the Lodash, and then search Lodash, and here we come with the number of downloads. You can see weekly downloads. That means it's a one of the most popular library of the Node.js. Let's do some of the functions. Use these functions over here. So first function that we are going to use. Okay, so first of all we have to require this one. We have installed the library. Now we are going to use this one. So I'm going to use this const require Lodash. Then first one, that is underscore map function iterates over the collection of array of objects. If you have the array of objects and you want to iterate and returning the array of results, then you can use this one. Okay, so let's take an example of this one and check this one. So first you can see over here, so array we have 1 2 3, and we are going to just map array num. Okay, so here you can see we have just doing the square over here. So we have the array. Okay, whatever the number we are coming in, so we are just doing the multiplication. Okay, so with the help of this you can achieve this one. Let's restart this. Okay, so here you can see that 149 will coming over here. So this is that one. Okay, so map iterates over a collection of array. So here you can see we have iterate. Okay, and whatever the logic we want to implement, we can implement, right? Next we are going to use the filter function iterates over a collection. Okay, collection means array of objects, returns an array of elements that satisfy the condition. So if you want array of collection, you array of objects you have, and you want to filter out with the specific condition, then you can use this one. Okay, let's go and check this one. So here we go with this one. Right, so here you can see that we have an array of objects. You can see then we are going to filter whose age is greater than 18. Okay, and it will give you that results. Let's restart the server. And here you can see the age is greater than 18, that is 25, 30, and 20. Okay, so this is how very simple you can use this function to iterate the object, and with the specific condition you can filter out the results. Okay, next we have a group by. Group by function groups a collection into the sets based on the result of a function. Okay, let's have a look on that one. So here we have the group by. Okay, so here you can see that the 6.1, 4.2, 6.3, 4. And 5.5. So here we are grouped the numbers, math floor, and the grouped. So here you can see, so in the 4 range, they are grouping with this. In the 5th range, it will grouping like this. In the 6th range, it will grouping like this. So this is how you can group that one. Okay. So here we go with this one grouping. This is how the grouping works. Okay. The next one, that is order by. Function orders a collection for the specified properties. If you want to order with any kind of like name, age or something, then or descending, ascending, you can do that one on the behalf of some criteria. Let's have a look on that one. Okay, I think users I have already declared, so I don't need to go with that one. So let's check this one. I think it's already there users. So we are using the order by. Users age descending. Okay, so we are sorting their order by with the help with age and descending order. So descending order will come up the with the 30 age, right? Let's run this one. So here you can see the age, that is 30, 25 and 20. So you can see order by. So it's very easy, you can use this package, right? Okay, then we have a last one, that is unique function, creates a duplicate free version. If you want that, I don't want the duplicates in my code or in my array of objects or array, then we are going to use the unique of the Lodash. So let's have a look on that one. Here we go with this one. I'm going to delete this one. Okay, and go with the fresh one over here. There is a two array now. Let's remove this. Let's find out the unique one. Okay, let's see. You can see 2 and 1. There is a duplicacy with the 2, so it only returns the unique one. Okay, so this is the usage of the Lodash. I have used some of the functions. Rest you can go and check out with the documentation. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the socket.io library. Okay, so step by step, all the npm packages which we have discussed in the last video, we are going to elaborate in the next coming videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.